Hello guys, Ernest here from Nest Capital. Today I'm going to be taking a trade on the EurUsd pair. The idea here is to show you guys how you can just keep your trade plain and simple, okay, using price action. Now looking at the market structure here, you can see that technically, looking at the 5 minute time frame, technically price is making higher highs, higher highs, higher highs, higher highs. So it's on a bull trend. So the trend is up and trend is bullish, right? Now, I would only be looking to sell if the market comes and breaks this structure right here, this structure here, right here. Okay. And for those of you who like trend lines, if you draw your trend line right here, you can see that the market has broken the trend line, but I'm not interested in that. I would only be looking at selling if the market breaks this structure right here, this structure lows right here. That's when I'll be interested. For now, I'm waiting for this bullish candle to set up, the candle to close. Once the candle closes, I'll enter a buy, and that's it. Pretty simple. Okay, no one knows where the market is going to go. No one knows if it's going to go up, if it's going to go down. All you need to do is do your bit and let the rest play out. That's it. So we're gonna wait and we'll see how this goes. Okay, I'm gonna pause the video now, and in 5 minutes, once the 5 minute candle closes, I'll take action. All right, the 5 minute candle is about to close, guys. Yep, so we have a close. It's not an encouraging one, but either way, I'm just gonna take my buy right there. I'm going to set my surplus below this level 796, and that's it. Pretty simple right there. And I'll be aiming my profit 910 here. Okay, now the market to come down and take me out, no problem. I've done my bit, and that's it. Okay, until the market violates this level right here, I'm not interested to sell. So if the candle breaks this structure here and closes below it, then I'll be interested to sell. Okay, so I'm going to pause the video now and let's see how it plays out. All right, guys, we've been stopped out. The market had also broken the structure, like I told you. Now I am officially bearish. So you look at it, the market hit our stop loss. Okay, so we've been stopped out. Now all I want to do is wait for the market for the bearish candlestick to close, and then I'll short. And preferably once the market comes back to this zone also, I will short. Okay, but first the candle has to close. All right, so let's wait and see how it goes. In 5 minutes time, I'll take action. All right, guys, the candle is about to close. It's about to close. All right. Even though this is a rejection candle, as long as it's still closed below our level, I'm still going to go for a short. Okay, yeah. So I'm gonna set my stop loss. Very important as always. Put my stop loss at 15. Then my take profit. This is 93. Okay. Okay. All right. So let's see how it goes. I've entered my trade. I've set my take profit. I've set my stop loss. That's it. Watch this, guys. The market is still moving up and down. There's a reason why I have my stop loss here, because when the market comes here and closes above this level here, that is a different story now. It changes the whole narrative. So understanding price action will really help in your trading. Okay, so I'm open to both scenarios, going up or going down. I'm just reacting to price. I'm not trying to predict. Okay, so let's watch. Either way, I'm making money and I'm making profit. Okay, that's the aim. The aim is making profit. You're in the business of making profits, and that should be where your mindset is. Not trying to be a predictive trader, trying to forecast the future. No one knows the future, bro. No one knows. Okay, so let's see how this plays out. All right, the market is about to hit our stop loss. If the market does, that means we'll lose the trade, and that means we've lost 2 trades that we've taken. But no problem. That means the market is trying to tell me what it actually wants to do. Remember I told you this candle right here was kind of a rejection candle? Yes, but I entered anyway because it still closed and satisfied my plan. It closed below the level, and I told you once it closes below the level, I will go short. So it closed below the level, even though the candle was a rejection candle. I was aware of that, but I was willing to take the risk, the little risk, which was $77. Okay, as you can see, we've been stopped out. We've lost 2 trades now. I'm going to wait for this 5-minute candle to close. If it closes above this level, then I'll buy, which is actually the bias for the day, because the trend is up. But like I said, I'm just looking at what the price is doing. I have no bias. I'm reacting to what price is doing. If price wants to go down, I go down. If it wants to go up, I go up. Okay, so I'm going to wait for this 5-minute candle to close above this level. If it does, we buy. If it doesn't and still comes back below this level and closes below this level, I'm selling again. Okay, all right, so let's see how it goes. Yes, the candle is about to close. Yep, so the candle has closed. Entered my buy. I'm trying to enter a trade on my other system to be right with you. Okay, so now I'm gonna set my stop loss. Very important, always protect your capital, guys. Okay, then I'm going to buy again, and I'm going to put my stop loss. Always important. Okay, and I take profit. Okay, I'm going to take first one here at 874. And then the second one, I'm gonna go for 900. All right, I'm done. Okay, now I wait. Guys, the market is about to stop us out. At the same time, the market has closed below the level I talked about, so I'm going to go short now, and I'm going to close out my buy trade. I don't need it to hit the stop loss. I'll just close it out because the conditions have immense. The market closed below our level. Okay, pay attention and see why we are actually doing what we're doing. The market closed below our level, and that's why I'm going short. Okay, now we have lost 1, 2, 3, 4 trades so far, but pay attention and see what happens. as usual. Stop loss 823. 5. All right, I'm going to be targeting the lows here at 728. Okay. I'm gonna set a sell limit order at 796. Pay attention, guys. There's a lot to learn here. Mm, 796. Okay. 734. All right. Okay. Now we'll wait and see if we get triggered. If I lose this trade now, I'm done for the day. I'm out of the market. No longer trading. Okay. You always have to have a plan, and you have to have the discipline. Once I lose this trade now, if I lose this trade now, I'm no longer trading. I'm out of the market. Pretty simple. All right, guys, we've been triggered. Yes, you can see we've been triggered. Now we'll wait and see what happens. Okay. All right, guys. Few minutes later, really few minutes later. I've been waiting for so long, but finally the market has started coming and moving in our direction. It came this close to stopping us out, but it didn't hit our stop loss, so we are still here. Our trade is still on. These are the trades we took that we lost, okay, so far, and these are the trades that are on right now. We're still waiting. Going to wait. I'll be excited if the market breaks this structure here and closes below it. This one here. Yes, so once the market closes and breaks below it, I'll live it. All right, let's see how it goes. All right, guys, the market is about to hit our take profits. We are seriously in profit right now. If I close all this trade right now for $700, that would cover the losses we've made. So you see what I was getting at. Okay, the idea is to be in profit. So if I close that would cover this $364 loss that we've made for those trades that went against us. So if I close all this now, we're in profit. All right, but I'm gonna wait for the market to hit my TP, and let's see how it goes. Alright guys, finally our TP has been hit. Our TP has been hit. Yep, you can see it. You can see them right there, and you can see that we are finally in profit of $484, right? Remember, we are down $360 something, right? But now we have covered that loss and we're in profit of 484. Okay, so that's how you trade. Okay, it was a really close one. I think our stop loss was somewhere, let me look at it, 823. So 823 was here exactly. So it was really close. When the market broke this support right here and came down, I was thinking it was going to move and then drop down, but instead the market moved and I held on. It was a very close call, but we survived in the end. That's all I can say. We survived and the market finally came back down and then hit our final take profit, and we're done for the day. And that's it. That's how you trade, guys. Please hit the subscribe button and hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and to support us, help us create more videos for you that could help you in your trading. All right, happy trading, guys.